Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai key fob. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, a coin, or even the mechanical key itself. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this simple task even easier. This process is straightforward and requires no specialized equipment, so let's get started right away. The first step is to access the mechanical key hidden within your fob. Look for a small button or tab, usually located on the side or back of the fob. Press and hold this button, then gently pull to slide out the emergency mechanical key. This key is essential for the next step in opening the fob's casing, so keep it handy. Now, with the mechanical key removed, you'll see a small slot where it was housed. Carefully insert the tip of your mechanical key or a small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob casing should begin to separate. Work slowly around the seam to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the fob is open, you will see the small, round battery inside. Take note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up, before gently prying it out. Replace it with a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, ensuring the positive side is correctly positioned. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together until they are securely closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.